Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to delete your address from your Facebook page using the Facebook app on your PC, especially with the new update. If you've ever wanted to keep your address private or simply update your contact info, this quick walkthrough will help you do just that. First, open the Facebook app on your computer. Once you're logged in, look at the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile photo. This will take you to your profile area. From here, find and select the page you manage where you want to remove the address. After entering your page, look for the About section. This is where all your page details are stored. Click on About, and then scroll down until you find Contact and Basic Info. This section contains your phone number, email, website, and most importantly, your address. Next to your listed address, there's a small More icon, usually represented by 3 dots. Click on this icon to see additional options. Among these options, you will find Delete. Select Delete to start removing your address. You'll be asked to confirm this step. Just click Confirm, and your address will be deleted from your Facebook page immediately. It's a simple but effective way to keep your personal or business location private, or to clear out old information that is no longer relevant. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you can manage your Facebook page's contact information and keep your profile looking clean and up to date. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back for more tips on navigating Facebook and social media updates.